Hi everybody, expecting ocean views? In this stateroom, you'll be seeing mostly a large orange lifeboat. At 161 square feet, this is an ocean view, obstructed view stateroom on deck 8 of the Norwegian Star, specifically cabin number 8106. This was from our summer 2025 2-week voyage on the Star, cruising Canada, Greenland, and Iceland. Stepping inside, you'll see these cherry wood tones, typical of Norwegian's Dawn-class ships. The layout is standard but very functional, and uses space without feeling too cramped. The main sleeping area features a queen bed, which can be separated into 2 twins if you ask your room steward. Next to the bed are small nightstands with bedside reading lamps that have been upgraded with built-in USB-A charging ports at the base. For those of you who are traveling with a family or a group, this room can sleep up to 4. There is a Pullman bed. Now when the top bunk bed is deployed, it cuts down on the ceiling space, so you have to be careful not to bump your head when it's lowered. Moving over to the vanity and desk area, you'll see a decent sized mirror and a small stool tucked underneath. On the desk panel, you'll find a standard 110-volt US outlet and a 220-volt European outlet. So you'll want to bring your own outlet extender if you need to charge multiple devices. There is a flat screen TV here with an adjustable swivel, and here are some of the channels. Also, there is a corner shelving unit alongside the cabin phone, 2 more USB-A charging connections here, and a European power plug. So if you want to use the European plug to charge devices, make sure you have the proper plug converter. Check out the link in the description for the ones we recommend. In a storage area where you'll find the in-room dining menu. Check out the menu and see what is there to order to enjoy in your cabin. Now, if you don't want to spend extra money, you can always just go to one of the complimentary dining areas around the ship and bring the food back if you like. This cabin actually has a good amount of storage. You can, of course, store your luggage underneath the bed. And the main wardrobe has a hanging rod with plenty of hangers provided. Inside one of the cabinets is a digital keypad safe, which is where you would store passports, credit cards, and other important documents. And here's the mini fridge. It comes stocked with extra cost beverages, but your room steward can empty it if you need space for your own medications or drinks, which is what we typically do. The bathroom has this retro blue tile flooring. And it's really nice how the toilet area has its own separate door. One thing we like is that the shower has a glass door instead of a curtain. Inside the shower, there is a typical adjustable handheld shower head with good water pressure. NCL provides wall-mounted pump dispensers for body wash and shampoo combo with conditioner, which is a nice touch as many other cruise lines nowadays only provide one dispenser which combines body wash / shampoo. In this obstructed view cabin, when you pull back the curtains on the porthole window, you're looking directly at one of the ship's lifeboats. But as you can see from these clips, of the ship sailing through various ports and fjords, you'll still get natural light into the room. If you lean close to the glass, you can still see glimpses of the scenery, the water, and the ports of call. Ultimately, the cabin is all about value, and if you're cruisers like us who don't spend a lot of time in the room other than sleeping, it's a good choice. But what do you think? Will you consider staying in this stateroom for a 2-week cruise? Let us know with a comment, and please do give the video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos from the Norwegian Star, including extensive coverage of the food on board. See the link in the description. Thank you very much, happy cruising, and we'll see you soon in the next video.